I'm with Dr. Trey Rogers, who's a turf expert. And Trey, I know you get a lot of questions from homeowners about different parts of the yard. What's the main concern?
Well, number one concern, the Briggs and Stratton survey this past year is weeds. Half the people got a problem with them.
I guess it's kind of misunderstood, and I really don't understand how, you can have one lawn that looks really good and one right beside it that doesn't look so good. What really breeds those weeds?
Well, keep in mind they're the effect of poor quality turf. So you've been either mowing wrong, fertilizing wrong, or irrigating wrong. So you can change those practices and really help to keep those weeds out.
Now, I've heard of things like broadleaf weeds, different kind of grasses. How do you know the difference, and how do you know how to attack them?
Just go think about two categories. First of all, grassy weeds with crabgrass.
Okay.
The second one is the broadleaf weed with the dandelion. Now, to go after the crabgrass plant, think about pre-emergent herbicide, which is a granular. We'll put it down in the spring, early spring. Use the forsythia bush as your indicator. That bright yellow flower comes out, go ahead and put it down.
Okay.
With the broadleaf weed, it's still a springtime application, but we've got to hit the leaf of the broadleaf weed. So It's got more of a contact herbicide. You can do this with the granular or with a spray. That's not a problem. But if you want to have your best control, go after them in the early fall. Anywhere from early October to early December, depending on where you live, you'll come out clean as a whistle in the springtime.